This literature kit on The Watsons Go to Birmingham 1963 by Christopher Paul Curtis lays out the worksheets in a way that makes sense for students to follow along with the novel. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events from the novel in the order they occur at Kenny's school. Predict whether Kenny will be able to mend his friendship with Rufus. Explain why Kenny and his mother react a certain way to Byron's hairstyle choice. Put yourselves in the author's shoes and speculate why Kenny's near-drowning experience was put into a certain perspective. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as designing a sign to post at Collier's Landing to warn people that it is not safe to swim there. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify elements of literature from the novel with the Story Elements graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.